Man and nature, the combination which for many years has been classified as opposing philosophies. There has always been the factor that nature is the presence of sheer wilderness and landscaping greenery, while everything that humans make are rather quoted as man made or even artificial. But life has always existed in this juxtaposition of man nature jeopardy, neither on the boundaries of separation nor at the distance of convenience, because man is also nature. During my course, I had learned and eventually realized that everything which man makes also becomes nature. Our environment is not devoid of our creations, but in addition to nature herself. Things around us, birds, trees, insects, create natural habitats of generational existence for themselves amongst us. It's funny how the rare side of window ACs has for decades been a love hotel for urban pigeons. Even when humans create barriers to stop these grey birds from loitering around their expensive machines, these birds somehow still find a way to put themselves at comfort. I have seen bees at my grandma's place and hornets making hives on her plastered arches. Similarly, just the way larger tree trunks act as support for smaller climbers in nature, there have been instances when drainage pipes on my terrace or even the simplest of the TV cable cords has served the same purpose for these plants. Insects at my place find small openings or cracks on the walls to lay their eggs. They exist amongst us in whatever we create because we add to nature, not subtract from it. During this time of the year, I have noticed that small moths and other insects get attracted to the light sources in my house due to their transverse orientation and thereby create food chains in my own humble house. The spiders preying on these flies while the house lizards patiently wait for the spiders to appear for their dinner. Few years ago, a crow had made her nest in front of my house on a lamppost with discarded electrical casings along with tree twigs, proving that nature and sustenance of life exists in an homeostasis. Interestingly, environmental flow of energies, just the way I had studied about the air channels in the hills, was observed in my own house via the windows. Windows act like the channels of air, and the opening or closing of it creates circulation of air within our spaces. These unsaid residues of nature bring forward why man is also nature. Our coexistence brings life together, and everything on earth is making together our daily lives. I wanted to do this project NIFT wide and hope so doing it in the future when we will not be confined to the nature we make but out there to accomplish our sustenance with our surroundings. Thank you.